Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up max ink mode for reading on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. First, let's enable the e-ink mode. It's not e-ink mode, it doesn't have e-ink display, but it just acts like it is. It makes it more comfortable to the eyes, minimizes some distractions, maybe enables battery saving. So let's switch this switch on the right side of the phone. Now, in my case, it's already in the max ink mode. Let's go to the settings, NextPaper Zone, and I'll switch it to something else first. So let's go to NxtPaper mode. In this case now, it looks different. It has all the apps. It is black and white. It minimizes the distractions that way by being black and white. If I go to the settings, you can see they still look full. They look normal, just in black and white. But I can switch to the max ink mode, which I were a moment ago. And now, as you can see, there I am. This mode minimizes distractions by disabling most of the apps. As you can see, I have 6 apps right now. I could add more if I wanted to, but as for now, I have 6. I could click on plus and, for example, remove the MSN. I don't really need it. But instead of that, I could, for example, do playbooks and done, and then I could open the playbooks app in order to read books within it. So these are the options. Now, I could also slide to the side to open the bookshelf on the phone, the local bookshelf. And I could either do bookstore and just buy books here, or go to bookshelf and add a local books from your files that you can download off the internet in form of like PDF or EPUB files, or any kind of file that you can download an ebook in. And then that is how it looks. If I go to the settings, I can go to NextPaper Zone, and I can find iCare. Then I can set up the settings of like iCare to set it up. I can change the NextPaper key to whether I want it to enter immediately, or if I disable it, then you can see when I switch the switch back down and then switch it up, it will ask me which mode do I want to enter. Color paper mode, ink paper mode, or max ink mode, which I'll enter and click on enter. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.